Tired of the hassle of sharpening blades in the workshop? This automatic electromagnetic blade sharpener is here to save the day. Rock-solid electromagnetic adsorption-it works for paper cutting, rotary cutting, and crusher blades. No need to manually monitor and calibrate. One-click start for fully automatic sharpening. Even long blades get sharpened evenly and sharply. Workshop efficiency skyrockets right away. Custom sizes available. DM us directly to connect with the factory if you want to boost productivity.